Navigating the challenges of RVing in extreme weather. Imagine this. You're cozied up in your RV, the great expanse of the American wilderness stretched out before you. Adventure is in the air, and freedom is on the horizon. But wait, is that a dark cloud looming? Fear not, intrepid travelers, for even the most formidable weather doesn't have to dampen your spirits or derail your journey. With a sprinkle of preparation, a dash of humor, and a dollop of wisdom, you can navigate the challenges of RVing in extreme weather, turning potential disasters into memorable adventures. 1. When the sun scorches, beating the heat hydration station. In the sweltering heat, your RV can feel more like an oven than a home. Keep hydration handy. Think water bottles in every nook and cranny, ensuring that you, your kids, and even your pets have constant access to water. Cool as a cucumber. Invest in reflective window covers and breathable, light-blocking curtains. Not only will your RV look like it's wearing a stylish pair of sunglasses, but you'll also keep the interior refreshingly cool. Fan club, become a fan aficionado. From ceiling vent fans to portable USB fans, these breezy buddies are your best bet for keeping the air circulating and your living space comfortable. 2. When the winds howl, tackling storms anchor down. In the face of howling winds, your RV might feel like it's about to take flight. Use wheel chocks and stabilizing jacks to keep your home on wheels grounded. Safe haven, know your escape plan. In case of severe storms or tornadoes, have a plan for where to seek shelter. A little planning goes a long way in ensuring peace of mind. Weather watch, stay ahead of the storm with a reliable weather app or a weather radio. Forewarned is forearmed, allowing you to adjust your plans before the weather takes a turn for the worse. 3. When the rain pours, waterproofing your experience. Leak patrol, regularly check and maintain your RV seals and seams to prevent water from making an unwelcome entrance. Think of it as giving your RV a waterproof coat and boots. Indoor fun kit, rainy days don't have to mean gloomy moods. Have a kit ready with board games, books, and craft supplies to turn a rainy day into an opportunity for family bonding. Moisture management, combat dampness with dehumidifiers or moisture absorbers. Keeping the air inside your RV dry will make your space more comfortable and prevent mold. 4. When the snow falls, embracing the cold insulation innovation. Enhance your RV's insulation by adding skirting around the base and using thermal curtains. It's like wrapping your RV in a warm, snug blanket. Heat it up. Ensure your heating system is in top-notch condition. Portable heaters can provide additional warmth, but remember to use them safely and never leave them unattended. Winter ready. Equip your RV with snow chains and salt or sand. These will be invaluable when you need to navigate icy conditions. Think of them as your RV's snow boots and ice pick. 5. Year-round readiness, all-weather tips. Maintenance mastery. Regularly servicing your RV is like giving it a health checkup. It ensures that your home away from home is ready to tackle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Packing Pro, pack for all seasons. Layers are your best friend, allowing you to adapt to changing conditions. And don't forget waterproof gear. Stay flexible. The key to successful RVing in extreme weather is adaptability. Be willing to change your plans based on the weather forecast. After all, flexibility is the backbone of adventure. 6. Embrace the adventure, finding joy in the challenge. Weatherproof memories. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for a story. Whether it's the time you outsmarted a heatwave with a DIY air conditioner or the night you all huddled together playing charades during a thunderstorm, these are the memories that stick. Laugh in the face of weather, maintain your sense of humor. When you look back, it won't be the perfect sunny days that stand out, but the times you laughed together as the rain pounded on the roof. Community connection. Don't forget, you're part of a vast community of RVers. There's a wealth of knowledge and camaraderie to be found in online forums, social media groups, and RV parks. Sharing tips, stories, and a helping hand can make all the difference in weathering the weather. The ultimate climate conquerors. RVing in extreme weather can test your mettle, but with the right preparation and mindset, you'll not only survive, you'll thrive. Each weather challenge is a chapter in your adventure story, a testament to your resilience and ingenuity. So, go ahead, chase those horizons and explore those uncharted territories. With this storm-proof guide in hand, you're not just an RVer, you're a weather-wise wanderer, ready to face the elements with a smile and a plan. Here's to clear skies, and when they're not, here's to embracing the storm with gusto.